Welcome to this educational video. Today, we explore a crucial topic in world history and political science. What is fascism? Fascism is more than just a political term. It is a way of organizing society under strict control. In a fascist regime, a single leader or dictator holds immense power, and public dissent is not tolerated. This overview will take us through the origins, characteristics, and historical instances of fascism. Fascism is often seen as an extreme right-wing ideology, but it is unique in its blend of different political views. It is centered around the idea of a nation, or sometimes a race, as a superior unified community. This ideology often calls for a spiritual revolution against perceived moral decay, targeting materialism and individualism. It is a complex system where loyalty to the nation overrides all other allegiances. The term fascismo originates from the Italian word fascio, meaning a bundle of rods. This symbol, dating back to ancient Rome, represents authority and strength through unity. Fascism's reach isn't limited by borders. It often forms international ties based on shared ideologies, especially those revolving around concepts of racial purity and supremacy. Fascism is paradoxically both populist and elitist. It portrays certain groups as enemies or oppressors, rallying the masses against them. However, power is concentrated in a select elite or a supreme leader. Under fascist rule, society is forcibly aligned with the regime's vision using mass organizations for control and integration. Any opposition is ruthlessly suppressed. The first fascist movement to gain power was Mussolini's Black Shirts in Italy in 1922. Fascism's most infamous manifestation was under Adolf Hitler in Nazi Germany, a regime marked by anti-Semitism, racial doctrines, and the horrors of the Holocaust. Other examples include Francisco Franco's Spain, which some historians view as semi-fascist. These historical instances help us understand the devastating impact of fascist ideologies. Fascism's political alignment has been a subject of debate. Initially influenced by both left and right-wing ideologies, it eventually gravitated more towards the right. Its emphasis on national and racial superiority is often associated with right-wing politics. However, the self-description of a totalitarian regime doesn't always align with its actual practices, as seen in both fascist and communist states. As we reflect on the nature of fascism, it is vital to remember the lessons of history. The fight against fascism, as epitomized by figures like Alan Turing, was a struggle for freedom and human dignity. Understanding fascism is key to recognizing and resisting any form of totalitarian control in our world today. Let's keep these lessons alive for a future rooted in democracy and respect for individual rights.